Hello everyone and welcome to Paul Selection. If you've been following my channel either on TikTok or on YouTube, which is named Paul Selection, you know that I'm in love with this brand, Acqua di Parma, and they have just come up with a new one from this line, La Spugnatura, which is the cologne perfume that is made of natural ingredients. And the first one that I have talked about earlier is this one, Bergamotto di Calabria, which is based on bergamot from Calabria. But this one, Arancia la Spugnatura, I heard that this one came from Sicily. And well, let's do the unboxing together. Well, you can see that the box is quite different from the regular line because they have this paint. Ooh. I'm not sure if it's with the paint. Let's remove it. Print, yeah, I say either way. But this is a special design just for this line, La Spugnatura. And you can see here they have this stamp. Very nice. It looks like a stamp, but well, maybe it's just a piece of plastic. Yep. But anyway, it looks nice. And here it is. Let's put the box aside, and here it is. I think that I have seen Kun Bo from Bo Wajashi channel. He talked about this line before, and this one is, of course, Arancia is orange, and let's try it for the first time together. Orange, of course, but this one is I would say it's not that sweet. I would say that it leans toward more unisex. It's orange for sure, but it's not just orange. I can feel there's some bergamot and other tart citruses in the base, in the background as well. Well, this is just my first impression, and I think that this one is one of the very interesting perfume cologne for the hot summer day.